How do engineering ethics intersect with law? When we think about engineering, we often focus on the technical aspects. However, there is a critical layer that involves ethics and law that every engineer must navigate. Understanding how these two areas connect is essential for anyone in the field. Engineering ethics revolves around the moral principles that guide engineers in their work. These principles prioritize public safety, health, and welfare. On the other hand, law consists of formal rules and regulations set by governments to ensure accountability in professional practices. The intersection of these two areas is significant in professional engineering. Engineers have a responsibility to prioritize the safety and welfare of the public. This ethical obligation is often reflected in various laws and regulations, such as building codes and safety standards. For instance, federal environmental laws requiring engineers to manage hazardous substances responsibly. They must take steps to prevent harm to both people and the environment. Professional societies, like the National Society of Professional Engineers, provide ethical codes that emphasize integrity, honesty, and fairness. These codes complement legal obligations but can also demand higher standards than the law. While ethical breaches may not always lead to legal consequences, negligent actions can result in civil lawsuits or disciplinary actions from professional organizations. Conflicts can arise when ethical duties clash with legal obligations. For example, an engineer may face a dilemma when their responsibility to report safety issues conflicts with client confidentiality. In such cases, careful judgment is necessary, and seeking legal advice may be beneficial. For mechanical engineers, this intersection means ensuring compliance with laws while making ethical decisions that consider the broader societal impacts. When designing mechanical systems, engineers must adhere to safety regulations and environmental standards. They also need to think about the long-term effects of their work on future generations. Ethical decision-making is a skill that is often taught in engineering education. Students engage in design projects that simulate real-world scenarios where they must balance cost, safety, and environmental impact. This practical experience is vital for preparing engineers to navigate the complex relationship between ethics and law. In essence, engineering ethics and law work together to protect public welfare. While ethics focus on moral responsibilities, law provides enforceable rules. Engineers must understand and navigate both to fulfill their professional duties effectively and responsibly.